Ciao Tesla people, today another road trip, and this time I'm going to go towards Siena, and I'm planning to stop at Monteriggione or San Gimignano, which are the two towns in Tuscany where there have a bunch of towers inside the town itself. I'm not sure which one will stop, but I'm going to do a time lapse of the road. There is a small, maybe 45 minutes an hour highway trip to get there. It's not that far, it's like maybe 60 kilometers, but it's going to be nice. The weather is not that great, there are some clouds, but it's not supposed to rain, so, and it's 24 degrees. So come with me and I'll show you some new towns in the Tuscany region, okay? I'll see you in a bit. So I'm in the main street of San Gimignano. I got a cappuccino and a pastry. And this is the entrance from one side and all the way to the other side. And we're going down there, which there is a main street and the main square where all the towers are. So, fun fact about San Gimignano and Tuscany in general, was that the tower were actually built by each noble family, and higher is the tower, more powerful your family was. So that's the reason why some towers are lower than the other ones, okay? And there are just few left here in San Gimignano. And actually was the case in Florence too. There were many palaces with towers in the Middle Ages, okay? And then, they get destroyed and whatever. And with many, they build other palaces. So I'm going down there in the main street, in the main square in a bit, and I'll show you around. This is very nice. Today is a very nice weather. Otherwise here it's going to be very, very hot because there are no trees. The town is built on top of the hill and there is not much green. And it was difficult to find a parking spot too. So anyway, I'll see you in the main square. So I'm in the main square. You can tell that is fantastic. So some of these towers are actually hotels, actually Airbnb, sorry. You can rent it and stay, but it's super busy. So this is, for example, is the line for an ice cream place, which is considered the best in the world. So very, very touristic. So if you come here, come off season, which is during the maybe November, October, or April or March, because now it's super busy. Beautiful.
Ah, ecco qua, sono stati portati le scalinate qua. Quanta gente sta seduta.
So I'm back home. I didn't record the way back because it was all highway. San Gimignano is really beautiful. Unfortunately, it's always busy. There are lots of people, so you might want to go off season. So no summer, maybe in the fall or early spring, because it's pretty small and there are lots of people want to see it. But it's really nice, it's really beautiful. It's very, very unique with all the medieval walls and towers and palaces. So really cool road trip today. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people!